Hadien ba returning officer ka Shillong Parliamentary Constituency USC Sadhu IS Waderu Deputy Commissioner ka East Khasils District ula weng no ya ka kendon ban khang persya ban Lehkmen ka segi Niew vote ula Pyntip pan bagi Seng Sañ partai kin hab ban Pyntip Shwa kapor bakin yat rally. Habakran sikilat patai kubor hakanok pai singi joka laitre ujilliu araja arpusau nakaliang USC Sadhu ulaong bagi Seng Sañ partai kin hab ban Pyntip Shwa kapor bakin ya Lehkmen bat kin hab ban buru ya ki volunteers khnang bakanomi kanu ka jingpul mar. Ulaong bagiwe ki kendon kin sa kumjo bat Pyntip ru bagajing penkre anak benta ka sengi Niew vote ka banlong lasai ka sengi ka sautre ujilliu arja arpusau kala ya chakmat klam kino ki jing penthut. Hakani ka sengi nakaliang Chief Secretary ka Jallau bat DP Walang ulalit banjurep ya kate ka Jaka Niew vote lani ka strong room haringkat ka jingadon lang u Chief Electoral Officer u BDR Tiwari nalor kiwe.
So in fact for counting all arrangements have been made to ensure that counting is done efficiently and in a transparent manner involving all political parties. And for law and order, we have made elaborate arrangements in terms of in ensuring that no unauthorized person enters into this entire premises of the counting. And though we have relaxed the provisions of this initial order for 144 with respect to rallies at portions, all other provisions of that order are still intact. That is for the premises that is still in force to ensure that no forces or no person or groups disturb the counting process.
So why was it lifted in the first place?
So because we have consulted after issuing of the order many stakeholders, including the political parties and some other NGOs and traditional heads. They have given representation. They have approached us that it will to appeal to us to relax that particular provision of 144 for rallies and portions. And we, after discussing with all of them, we thought that we will relax to that extent, and at the same time we also appeal to them to ensure that this military portions and rallies should not turn out to be some law and order disturbance rallies. And they assured these political parties and all political parties and candidates, they have assured us that they will take enough measures from their side to ensure that no untoward incident happens during their rallies. Yes, within the premises of this counting center.
So what about the security arrangements? If you can just...
So again, for security, there is, as per ECA protocol, 3-layer security is already arranged here. So inner layer is manned by CAPF and outer layers will be by the state police. And the outer layer, from outer layer, it will be no vehicle zone. Only vehicles should not be entered in that 3-layer security area. Only vehicles which passes only will be allowed within this area.
Once the section is removed, is there any particular instruction during procession, ritual procession?
Yes, when we consulted the political parties and the contesting candidates, so the instructions would be that they have to give in advance to us in terms of what route they are going to take for these portions, and they have to deploy enough volunteers from their side, and they have to brief their teams that when they conduct these portions and rallies to ensure that that this rally should not disturb others and should not create any disturbances in terms of land.
Hadien, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya